What's up, YouTube? I got this next level canister shells by TNT fireworks. Got 24 canister shells. Some heavy shit. We do it big. We party big. We don't fuck around with that small shit. See what's in this box. Here's a launching tube. These new ones are not made of that cardboard shit. These are made of straight PVC pipe. There's 6 rounds right there. Fucking huge. And this box right here is $89. It comes with 4 tubes, 4 launching units. See, there's 1, 2, 3. Comes right out of the bottom. 4. These are, doesn't say how many grams these are. But yeah, this goes just like that, right on the bottom. These are the next level canister shells by TNT fireworks. They're pretty fucking loud. When they detonate in the air, not only on the ground but aerial, the sound is just, it echoes. It echoes on the ground and in the sky, and it's a colorful display and an explosion, all that good shit. It's well worth your money. If you're into like motors and canister shells, I'd advise the canister shells, and I'd advise this brand, Next Level.